Hi, my name is Arlisha Roberts, and today I'm going to be talking about reasons to exercise and types of training. Your health matters, and if you don't believe me, take a look here. 40% of young adults are obese, and the proper diet and exercise can and will prevent certain illnesses. Failing to maintain diet and exercise can result in dependence of blood pressure medicines, cholesterol, and diabetic medications, which are all extremely costly in the long run. Instead of potentially lessening the quality of your life, why not adopt healthier habits? What's the worst that would come from this? More energy, looking better in clothing, better stamina. Exercising and eating better doesn't mean deprivation from yummy foods or fun outings and events. It just means being more aware and making better choices for yourself. Instead of pasta, try spaghetti squash. It's a squash that looks and resembles and tastes kind of like pasta if you add pasta sauce to it. A major key to exercising is determination. When it's not fun and you're not motivated, to have some help with that, it may be a good idea to explore and try different types of training. High intensity interval training is just what it sounds like, a period of training at high intensities with little rest until exhaustion. These can be distinguished as an obstacle course of a series of implemented exercises. Something like American Ninja Warrior. The way they push the human body to new limits and heights reminds me of the sort of implement training I'm excited to try for myself and for new clients. Implement training is a strongman style of training that uses unconventional resistance training tools like sandbags, chains, kegs, logs, tires, and extreme cases, vehicles. You see here he's flipping a tire over like it's nothing. Try Zumba. I love it. It's a great exercise method that can be fun and get you moving freely before you know it. The music can help get your mind off of the stresses of work and exercise and may even teach you a few new moves that you may not have had before. Just lose yourself in it and have fun. TRX or total resistance exercises uses body weights. Doing this sort of exercise can help our body move in a more functional manner, at the same time developing strength, balance, flexibility, and core all at once. It's really an amazing full body exercise that you should give a try. Bodybuilding is to me more for those who want to enter competitions like physique competitions or Olympian competitions. Bodybuilding can be used to sculpt the body and add bulk and muscle. It's really about lifting heavily all over essentially. It has to be a lifestyle. Good exercise habits should be a lifestyle, not just a hobby. You can't look like $1,000,000 when you're eating from the dollar menu. I've never done water aerobics. It always looked like a good low impact way to stay active for people. And anyhow, we have to take care of our body. Where else are we going to live? And if all that is just too intense and too hardcore for you, try going to your local park. My family and I always go to Perrin Park once a week in the morning and run the nature path they have. My son loves it. Try something like jumping rope or a personal trampoline. I have one and it's great for me and my son. I can jump with ankle weights on to some music and it feels like a party, but it's exercise. Bike riding is also a great cardio and endurance exercise that isn't too intense in the regards of weightlifting and the wide world of fitness world. It's something that can be relaxing and beneficial. And if you ever had siblings or a family of your own, you know how keeping a little one busy also keeps the adult busy. I mean, look at this woman. She's got a dog, a kid, and she's running. If that's not exercise, I don't know what is. Instead of dumbbell curls, moms call them baby curls or mama squats. If you ever squatted with a baby in your arms, it's a good workout. Or lunges while holding your baby or toddler. Wow. Mom life, the best gym membership you could ever have. Even if you hate to sweat or work hard, there's always a reason to exercise. My reason is so when my son gets into sports, I can practice with him. and maybe even help teach or coach him. When he has kids and I'm a grandma at 50 or 60 years old, I want to have tons of energy with them as well. At 80 years old, I only want to take vitamins. I don't want to be on a regimen or routine of medications just to get through my day. I understand the lifestyle habits I have now affect me today and for the future. I won't need medical equipment because my goal is to learn healthful habits and pass them down through the generations. So none of my offspring have to experience clogged arteries, diabetes, shortness of breath, chest pains, nothing. I want my legacy to be strong and healthy. So we have time to focus on living and not just surviving life. I see young people my age and older putting junk into their bodies daily like it's nothing. I imagine they either don't know the consequences or they feel like they have enough time to fix it before it gets out of control. If you can't exercise or eat right for yourself, do it for your loved ones. If that great after a run feeling isn't enough motivation to get you there, just think about how much new gym or workout gear is and multiply that by 12. And that's probably close to the medical expenses you'll pay later for a year of being unhealthy now. Either way, you're going to do it now or pay later. So hopefully we can all see the benefits of getting up and getting motivated and not wanting to wait until we're too sick to do so. Doctors are mainly trained to treat symptoms, not root causes. Remember that. So, whether you have never really worked a muscle before or whether you're a champion athlete, I strongly, strongly encourage you to start and keep exercising. Try a new method of training, pick a different training location or environment. Whatever it is, just get out there and do it. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.